Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal to Revolut. First, you will need your Revolut account details, which are available in the Revolut app. Next, you will add these details to your PayPal account as a linked bank. Finally, you can initiate a transfer directly from PayPal to your linked Revolut. This method offers a straightforward way to manage your finances between these two platforms. To begin, open your Revolut app and access your account details, making sure to note your local currency bank information, such as your sort code and account number. Then, log into your PayPal account. Navigate to the Wallet section, where you will find the option to link a new bank account. Enter the Revolut details precisely as they appear in your Revolut app. After linking, PayPal will send two small, distinct deposits to your Revolut account, typically within 2 to 3 business days. Check your Revolut transaction history for these amounts, which are usually less than $1. Return to PayPal and confirm these figures to verify the account. Now, when withdrawing funds, simply select your newly linked Revolut account as the destination. Always check for any applicable PayPal withdrawal fees, as these can vary depending on the transfer speed you choose. Standard transfers usually take between 1 and 3 business days to complete. Also, pay attention to currency conversion rates if your PayPal balance is in a different currency than your Revolut account. This helps ensure you receive the expected amount without surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.